Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a great day. Today we are diving into the symptoms of a bad radiator cap. The radiator cap plays a crucial role in your car's cooling system. Its main job is to maintain pressure in the system and only release coolant into the reservoir when a specific size is reached. Once the engine cools down, the pressure decreases, creating a vacuum that pulls coolant back into the system from the reservoir through the radiator cap. The first symptom of a bad radiator cap is coolant leak. A common sign of a bad radiator cap is coolant leaking, often from the cap itself. With the engine running, pop the hood and inspect the radiator cap for any signs of coolant leakage. If you notice coolant seeping from the cap, it's likely time for a replacement. In severe cases, coolant may escape from other areas such as water pump, engine gaskets, radiator hoses. This happens because a stuck closed cap prevents coolant from escaping into the reservoir, causing excessive pressure in the system and forcing coolant to leak from weaker points. The second symptom is engine overheating. Loss of coolant or air trapped in the cooling system can result in an overheating engine. When the engine overheats, it can cause severe damage, including a blown head gasket, warped cylinder heads, or even complete engine failure. If your car overheats, a faulty radiator cap could be the culprit. The third symptom is air in the cooling system. If the gasket on the radiator cap is damaged or torn, air can enter the cooling system. Air in the system disrupts coolant flow, leading to inefficient cooling. The fourth symptom is collapsed radiator hose. Another less common but critical symptom is a collapsed radiator hose. When the engine is turned off and coolant cools down, the system creates a vacuum to pull coolant from the reservoir. If the radiator cap fails to allow this process, a vacuum builds up inside the cooling system, causing the radiator hose to collapse. The radiator cap may be small, but it plays a critical role in maintaining your engine's health. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.